This is going to be today's video review for Monday, February the 1st for 2016 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the markets, using the weak dot push, the only setup that we're looking at here in the YouTube channel. There are several others with a 87% edge. Today's edge, using just the weak dot push, we've spotted 6. Using the left focus frame chart, 5 were winners, 1 was a break even. Let's have a look at those now. We're also going to be talking a little bit about the levels coming into the day. We're going to be bringing out a new product called the Morning Brew, something for VEA traders that have been looking at our charts for a period of time and want to know a little more about the higher chart frames. So we'll be discussing just briefly the levels here in today's video review, and of course going more into them into the Morning Brew itself, and of course also for the subscribers of our software and also software owners in the Insiders video review. So this would be our matrix coming into today, looking at just the daily, weekly, and monthly for the energy bands, the upper yellow and the mid. And you'll notice that we had 1926 and 1912 as a couple of levels that were important for us today. The Morning Brew will get into some of these levels, like for example, one of those levels about 1912 right here was the top of the monthly lower energy band. You can see the market on Sunday night popped quite a bit, very strong. Quite often when it pops up like that in a strong trend, there's a need to come back and refresh. And so far we're refreshing 1912 to push up, but you'll notice the top of the monthly 1926, very important geometry level for us. So first was a buy here, strong dot down below the solid white midline. This is a weak dot above the solid white midline into a valley of support and an opportunity to go long here. Trade expectation would be this white dotted line up here at 1919. Next weak dot push is a sell into this crest opportunity in the upper yellow here. You can see the stops with the green boxes 2 ticks above the high as we go up into this upper yellow for a short on the red brick, targeting not the white dotted midline here, but this lower green here about 1516. So you can see the target met on that. We're not even discussing the 1912 level here from the report, but essentially this is a very key level here, and you can see some weak dot pushes on the trade chart for an opportunity to blast up off that very key monthly top of the lower energy band. And for somebody intraday trading, there's a weak dot push sell. You can see the opportunity here on the trade chart to the right. We had a opportunity to get short on a red brick with a stop 2 ticks above the upper energy band with the green brick. Expectation is to come back to 17.5. You can see price bounces up from 18.5 until eventually coming back to the white dotted midline here. Next would be a preferable entry here. We got a weak dot down, strong dot down here right on the solid white midline, and this is a weak dot. So you can see that price, if you were trading on this red dot here, you'll notice that if you got long on this green brick here, this was showing you that we couldn't get above the white dotted line, so I'm calling that a break even. And then the re-entry here for the green brick here, target, because this white dotted midline is what we're associating with, we're looking for at least 23, 24.5, and we certainly met that, no problem. If you're interested in learning a very simple method on how to day trade, send us an email at jb@drumenergybands.com. And there was one other trade actually I forgot to include. Weak dot push sell against here. If you wanted to take that opportunity to get short, target, because this white dotted line's not pushing up, you're going to go down to this lower green, which is about 21.22. You can see price hit that. Thank you very much for your interest. Hope you guys have a great trading week.